Hey guys, welcome back to Dragons and Arm Wrestling. Today we're going to discuss the high hook and all of the transition points.
Okay, so with the high hook, you start very similar to the posting top roll. You're going to get a high riser, elbow all the way forward, and your shoulders are going to be squared with your hand. Then on go, you're going to apply back pressure and cup. And from here, this is where your options come in. You can either move in for more of an inside, like a hook move, where you move your shoulder into the arm, or you move it away, decommit your shoulder into more like a top roll. Essentially, that is the high hook. Staying forward, creating the S shape that is known for the high hook.
All right, and again, knuckles high, and then you want to focus on just having enough cup to take out their pronation. Then you can either commit the shoulder, maintain the pronation to finish, or you can decommit the shoulder to come around to finish in the sweeping top roll.
And if you guys like that, comment down below, like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.